Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically equip animation or like dances on Roblox. So if you go to your avatar here, you're going to go to customize and then you're going to select animation and then you're going to, I think you would need to buy the dances, which I don't have, and then to kind of like dance to it, you're just going to go to like a game like I'm doing right now, and then you are going to type in like E and then press dance, and then whichever dance you have, it's gonna like show. I don't really have a dance animation. I do want one. Maybe like next year I'm gonna get one. I want the like hot to go one, the HOTTOGO. Sorry, I'm just like trying to keep you guys entertained while this is loading. But you're just going to press that and you're going to basically dance. I don't know why it's not loading. Come on, load. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it's gonna load. I don't really have a lot, so just bear with me. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.